going on, lads? Welcome back to another video. Now, you join me today. We are in self-isolation at the moment because of this COVID-19 situation that is developed around the world. But what we are going to be doing is installing a new SUNSTRIP to the car. I say new because I've already got one on there at the moment. So we're going to be taking this one off and putting a brand new one on. And it's going to be more of a tutorial video in the sense that I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. Everything you need to fit it as well, so you can go ahead and do this at home. Right, so just before we go ahead inside the video, if it does help at all in any way, shape or form, make sure to drop the video a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment below. Let me know what SUNSTRIP you went for and how it turned out and all that sort of good stuff in the comments below. And yeah, let's get straight into the video. So the main things that you need to fit the SUNSTRIP is obviously a SUNSTRIP. Now I've gone for a FORD Performance one, a gloss backing with the matte black writing, some soapy water in a spray bottle of some sort, so we've got that, a tape measure, a squeegee so you can get rid of any excess water and bubbles, masking tape, and a hairdryer. Those are literally the main things. It's all sort of common household appliances and stuff you can pick up from most shops, although pretty much every shop is shut at the moment. But yeah, if you've got these laying around at home and you can order yourself a SUNSTRIP, then you can definitely do this. Keep yourself a little bit busy whilst we're in lockdown. And it's a relatively cheap mod. I think the SUNSTRIP's about a tenner, and everything else I just had at home anyway. So the first thing that you're going to need to do is clean up your windscreen with the soapy water. Now, like I said, I had a SUNSTRIP on there. I've literally just taken it off. So we're going to go ahead and clean up that whole area with the soapy water, so that the new SUNSTRIP has the best chance of sticking to the car. Right boys, once you've cleaned it all up, what you need to do then is just make sure it's free from any dust or anything like that. So I've just used a microfiber cloth to clean the screen, but there's still bits of sort of the cloth on the screen. So I'm going to get some paper tissue and just give it one final once over along the top section there, just so that when I put the new one on, there's not any bits of microfiber or any dust underneath the new SUNSTRIP, and then it looks like bubbles and you can't get them out. So yeah, just try and make the screen as clean as possible and you'll get the best results you can. Right boys, once you're happy that you've got a clean screen, like this, next thing you want to do is go ahead and measure how far you want it to come down the screen. Now, I'm going to try and line it up with the center of the screen there. There's like a black patch, you can just see it on the camera there. I'm going to try and line it up with that. That might be a little bit too low, but what I'm going to do is measure either side, and then whatever length I decide, then you want to put a piece of masking tape on your pillar, on your A pillar here, just so you can line it up to the other side when you're sticking it down, so you're left with a straight SUNSTRIP. Because sometimes you see people put SUNSTRIPs on and they're sort of curved where they're wonky, but if you measure it either side and then stick it down based on the measurements that you've made, should be bang on and looking fresh. Right boys, so as you can see, just like that, just so you're left with a bit of masking tape on your A pillar, we're going to go with 20 centimeters. I'm going to try that, I'll see how it looks. It does it quite low, so I might end up bringing that up a little bit, maybe like 17. but we'll go ahead and line it up and see how it looks. Right lads, so hopefully you're at the position now where you've got it in a position that you're happy with, and you're ready to start sticking the SUNSTRIP down. So the next thing you want to do is remove the bits of masking tape that you used to line it up underneath, so 1 and 2, and then essentially you want to start on one side, do half, and then cross over to the other side, unless of course you've got 2 people with you, but today it's just myself. So we are going to be starting on this side. I'm going to peel half of it back, squirt the soapy water on the actual SUNSTRIP itself, on the back of the SUNSTRIP and on the screen, so there's plenty of water there to help remove any bubbles and make it stick down easier. And then we'll go ahead and do the second half once we're happy with this side. But yeah, I've taped down the top as well so that we're happy with the sort of positioning of it, to keep it where I want it, which is fine. You can go ahead and do that, you don't have to, but I find it easier if I actually go ahead and mask the top down as well. I don't know if you can see that with the glare, but yeah, I've put masking tape along the top. So yeah, I'm just going to get it going and record it for you boys as well. Right, once you've got it stuck into place, then you want to use a sharp knife and cut it out around the edges. Just be careful obviously not to cut the windscreen. Now that you've got that like that and you've got the SUNSTRIP down, you really want to focus on trying to get as many bubbles out or little imperfections out as you can. So grab your squeegee, grab the hairdryer, and yeah, get them out. It's looking good though. I think we're probably over to one side a touch more than the other, but not too difficult. And a little tip that I'll suggest is these squeegees can scratch the vinyl, so I'll just wrap it in tissue so that you're not scratching the vinyl. There we have it then lads, we have got the FORD Performance Sunstrip fitted. It looks pretty decent actually. There are a couple of little bubbles and imperfections here and there, but like I said, it is very difficult to get it absolutely perfect. Nevertheless, I am pretty happy with that. As you can see, it wants a wipe over where I've just gone over with it, but yeah, it is pretty decent. So now what I'm going to do is just park the vehicle in the sun, because we've actually got the sun out, and leave it there for the day at least before I go driving. Yeah, there we have it, lads. As I said at the start of the video, if it did help you out at all, make sure to drop the video a like and subscribe if you haven't already. But that is it for today's video. We'll catch you in the next one with some more Focus ST content. Make sure to subscribe. Peace.
And love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't